Howdy folks, got my Pieta 1851 Navy Colt loaded up here with Graff & Sons 3F real black powder. First time I've ever shot real black powder out of this pistol. So I'm gonna bring you along for the first shots with the Graff & Sons and we'll see how we like it. Got it 15 grades of Graff & Sons. I got a .375 Hornady round ball, homemade lubed wad lubed with beeswax and olive oil. Homemade number 10 percussion caps from the 22LR Reloader percussion cap maker. Let's see if we can hit anything. The joys of percussion caps, especially the homemade ones. Make sure you don't put your finger in front of that cylinder. Looks like I had another cap fall off too. Alright, try this again. Sorry for the monkeying around, but that's all part of it. Well, it's just as much fun shooting that and the substitutes. It's all about the same. Works real good though, that Graff & Sons. I like the way those went off. That first one hung fire a little, but that's pretty normal with these kind of guns. So anyway, that was fun and thanks for watching.